Hey Jeremy, this is Danny Scott with Undrtow Digital. I know we spoke a little bit ago, so I just wanted to make sure that I could get this video over to you in a reasonable amount of time. So obviously, you have a history in website design and SEO and all that good stuff. So I don't really need to go too much into depth about everything. I think it's just good sometimes to have a little bit of like a refresher when it comes to some of the stuff in this industry, especially since you're moving from one industry to another. Maybe some things that you can do in your spare time to optimize your website, or if you don't want to do it, that's what I'm here for. So first of all, I mean, you already know about the whole content thing, what your pictures are saved as. Google's obviously going to recognize those as certain things that's going to help to rank your site. I would also say add a bunch more content, right? For me and my clients, we do minimum 1,500 words of content total for the homepage because that's one that's probably going to rank 9 times out of 10. And so if you can pack a lot of keywords in there, that's obviously going to help out. And so I pulled up your Ahrefs right here, and I also put up, this is pretty much like the #1 guy out here, just to do a little comparing. Obviously, he's crushing it, doing a whole lot of stuff, bunch of backlinks, a decent amount of referring domains, which means he has some pretty direct backlinks. And going pretty hard with the keywords. I definitely do a whole lot more for my clients, but the traffic is really nice, so we like to see it. Obviously, like you said, you haven't done a whole lot with it, just 2 and the 2 with the 13 organic keywords. I would say just come in here if you have Ahrefs. If you have or haven't, it's just a paid tool online for SEO. It's around $400 a month for my team and myself, and I would just go in here and pretty much take all these, especially since you're in the same market, take these, understand or find out which ones are the higher ranking ones, and really use those to your advantage so you can rank that homepage, right? And so that's obviously like the backlinks and the keyword and the content. And then if this is whitespark.ai or .ca, good little citation finder. Same thing with yours. You already know your own citations they got going on in here, but I put in your competition just to see what they're doing. Maybe it can give you some inspiration behind some citations you can use for yourself. They look like it's a lot of like blogs for them as well. Maybe some guest posts here and there, and then obviously just a bunch of other directories that they've been putting their citations in. So really nothing, which is crazy, nothing too crazy. 18 to 10, and they're on page 1 of Google when it comes to auto detailing Las Vegas, Nevada, right? So that's pretty much it, man. I'm happy that we were able to have our conversation earlier today. I hope that maybe this was able to give you a little bit of inspiration and like a refresher to your memory so you can get some more feet in the door. And as I said, yeah, it can be 6 months down the line, a year down the line. If you ever need our assistance over here at the agency, feel free to reach back out and we'd be happy to serve you.